Scientists just printed a human lung. Not a model, not a replica. A real, living, breathing lung made from actual human cells that inflates, contracts, and exchanges oxygen exactly the way the one inside your chest does right now. This is not science fiction. This is not a distant possibility. This is something that happened inside a real laboratory, achieved by real bioengineers who have fundamentally changed what the word possible means in the history of medicine. For decades, organ transplantation has been limited by one devastating reality. More people need organs than donors can provide. Every single day, people die waiting for a heart, a kidney, a liver, a lung that never arrives in time. 3D bioprinting could change all of that forever. And the successful printing of a miniature functioning human lung is the most significant proof yet that this technology is genuinely moving from the laboratory into the future of real medical practice. The process works using a specially developed material called BioInk, a carefully engineered mixture of living human cells and supportive biological scaffolding materials that keep those cells alive, aligned, and functioning throughout every stage of printing. Using an advanced 3D bioprinter, the research team built up this living material layer by microscopic layer, patiently constructing the delicate and extraordinarily complex internal architecture that makes a real lung capable of doing its job. Microscopic airways, intricate blood vessel networks, and layers of soft tissue that expand and contract with each breath were all printed from living matter, built from the outside in, with extraordinary precision at scales invisible to the naked eye. And when the printing was complete and the biological materials had integrated properly, the researchers observed something that stopped them in their tracks. The miniature lung structure began to inflate and deflate, exchanging oxygen just like real lung tissue. The implications are almost impossible to fully absorb. If this technology can be scaled, refined, and brought into clinical practice, it could mean that organ donor waiting lists become a thing of the past entirely. Patients could one day receive organs printed from their own cells, eliminating rejection risks, bypassing waiting lists, and giving medicine a tool that seemed impossible to even imagine just a generation ago. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you accept a 3D printed organ if your life depended on it? Like this video if it moved you, subscribe for more frontier science explained simply, and share it with someone who needs to see how extraordinary this moment truly is.